How to install a weather stripping door sweep. This instructional video has been produced by your Weatherization Pro Dealer Network members and is to show our homeowner clients how to install commercial-grade weather stripping on the doors of their homes. The doors that go between the inside of your house and the outside of your house, as well as the door going from your house to your garage, are typically leaking significant amounts of air, and with the leaking air, your hard-earned energy dollars. By installing commercial-grade weather stripping like Honeywell Innovate Pro weather stripping door sets and door sweeps, you can significantly reduce your air and energy leakage. We recommend always having your Weatherization Pro home performance professional first measure to determine the actual amount of leakage of your doors using a blower door, infrared camera, and/or air leakage detector or smoke pencil. You should be present during the blower door assessment so you can see where and how much your doors are leaking air and energy. Door sweeps or door bottoms are offered in various styles, types, sizes, and colors. Before installing, you should evaluate which type of door sweep will fit your particular doors and applications. Please consult with your local Weatherization Pro dealer or home performance contractor if you need help in determining what types of door sweeps you need to install on the bottoms of your doors. The tools and materials you will need are Honeywell Innovate Pro commercial grade weather stripping door sweeps and screws, power drill with 1/8 inch bit and Phillips bit or Phillips head screwdriver, tape measure, low odor latex caulk, white and clear, utility knife, hacksaw, sawzall, and sheet metal shears, and a damp rag. Before you install your door sweep, we recommend that you have already installed a full weather stripping door set around the outside perimeter of your doorway and also have caulked around all the interior and exterior door trim pieces to ensure no air leaks through the trim around your doors. For weather stripping door set instructions and caulking instructions and video, please return to the video menu. With the installation of your door sweep, you first must choose what type, style, and color of door sweep you would like to use for your doors. There are many choices, but there is one that exactly fits your doors and your particular application. For purposes of this video and instructions, we will demonstrate the installation of the Honeywell Innovate Pro brush type door sweep. The Honeywell Innovate Pro brush type door sweep product packaging should contain one door sweep along with mounting screws. Note, if you're working on a metal door, you may need to purchase bit tip or self-tapping screws. After opening the package, inspect the weather stripping door sweep to ensure that it is not damaged. Use your utility knife during installation to trim all excess material from the door sweep. Measure the width of the door at the very bottom of the door. Cut the door sweep using a hacksaw, sawzall, or shears to fit the exact width of the door that you previously measured. Please note, as you cut the pieces, if you cut off one or more of the pre-drilled holes in the door sweep, you may need to use your 1/8 inch drill bit and pre-drill another screw hole before attaching the door sweep piece to the door. You should now do a dry fit of the door sweep. This means you should place the door sweep in place without caulking or screwing it in. You are just making sure that it fits properly before attaching it permanently. When the door sweep is properly mounted with the door shut, it should seal the bottom crack under the door and compress the door sweep about 1/4 inch all along the bottom edge of the door and/or threshold. Once you have dry fit the piece and are certain it is correctly cut, remove it. Using a caulk gun and clear latex caulk, run a small 1/8 inch bead along the bottom of the doorway where the door sweep is going to be screwed into place. Put the door sweep in place. Using a power drill with Phillips bit and screws provided, screw in only one screw on each end. Do not screw all the screws in, until you are sure the door sweep is in the correct position, and the door will close properly, and the door sweep will seal the bottom of the door properly. Open and close the door a few times to make sure that the door sweep is in the proper position. When installed properly and the door is in the closed position, the brush on the door sweep should be compressed about 1/4 inch, and the brush is closed snugly against the bottom of the doorway opening or the top of the door threshold. Wipe all excess caulk off the door sweep and door with a damp rag. If the threshold at the bottom of the doorway is in poor condition, you may need to consider having this replaced as well. Please return to video section of the home page of our website for instructions on how to do this work. After completion of your project, be sure and clean the entire work site and call your Weatherization Pro home performance dealer to come back and retest for air leakage with their blower door and other home performance diagnostic equipment. For more information or to purchase your Honeywell Innovate Pro door sweeps, contact your local Weatherization Pro dealer, contractor, or call our National Weatherization Pro headquarters in Denver, Colorado at 303-978-1500. You may also return to the home pages of our weatherizationpro.com website and contact us electronically.